If you're looking to download Instagram Reels videos, this video is for you. In this video, you'll learn how to download Instagram Reel videos onto your device. Whether you want to save a video for later or share it with someone who doesn't have Instagram, downloading Instagram Reels is easy. Just make sure to watch this video until the very end and follow the steps, and you'll be able to download any Instagram Reel in no time. First of all, open up the Instagram application and then find the Instagram Reel that you want to download. Once you find it, tap on these three little dots at the bottom right of the screen, and then tap on the link. So now you have successfully copied the link to this Instagram Reel. So now what you want to do next is exit the Instagram application and open up any web browser that you like and search for Insta Video Save. After that, tap on this exact search result. Once you are on this site, paste the link to the Instagram Reel. To do that, tap and hold over here and simply tap on Paste, and then tap on the download button. And now it will take a couple of seconds to do its thing. Once the video appears, all you have to do is tap on the Download Video Server to button over here. And now that Instagram Reel video will download to your device's gallery. So the download has been completed. Let's go over to the gallery, and boom, this is the Instagram Reel video that we just downloaded. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.